The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Capture impressive 48 megapixels photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60fps video. The secret to incredible DR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. Hypersync 2.0 is a video transmission distance of up to 10 km and can also deliver 1080p FD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever.